Hello and welcome to the Rev View. I'm Andrew Riddle. A 7-year streak of payroll growth came to a halt in September, unfortunately. In September, we had 33,000 fewer people working than we had in August, the first monthly move backwards in 7 years. Very likely this is a blip. We think this was caused by the hurricanes. If you really dig into those numbers, there was about 105,000 jobs lost in the bar and restaurant sector, which of course would be the first sector you would expect to be hit because of the hurricanes. So we don't think this is the beginning of a new negative trend, but it does make the jobs number for October more interesting as we look to see if this rebounds and be sure that we're correct. And this simply was something caused by the hurricanes and not part of some bigger problem in the economy. Will there be a rally in the fourth quarter? That's probably the question in everybody's mind. Will we make money between now and the end of the year? History says we probably will if you believe in stock market history. And of course, as you know, Bill and I really don't. We think those are more correlations than causations, but it is interesting to look at. When you have a positive third quarter, 92% of the time you have a positive fourth quarter. And we did have a positive third quarter this year. So insofar as that goes, I guess things look positive. Something that's more important is factory purchasing, and that hit its highest mark in September since May of 2004. Fabulous number there. Not only one that's a record high over the last 13 years, but one that far exceeded economist expectations. And of course, that would suggest that the manufacturing part of our economy is hitting on a higher cylinder even than we thought. And that could be a very good thing for the overall stock market and the overall economy. The markets themselves would also suggest that this could be a good quarter. At least the first week, we're off to a good start. The Dow was up last week over 1.6%. The NASDAQ was up over 1.4%. And the S&P closed last week up over 1.1%. All very good numbers and a very good start to the fourth quarter of the year. Of course, what we're looking for in the next few weeks is whether earnings will begin rolling in to actually substantiate the rally. We hope it will. We hope we'll see earnings that will prop those numbers up and keep the markets moving upward, but we will see. And we hope you'll tune back in here as we begin to move into earnings season, and we'll be letting you know how major companies are doing and how the whole thing is working out. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.